Hello, good evening. So today we are going to be talking about prepositions, a particular aspect of prepositions. Well, to begin with, let's look at this sentence at the top. I saw it in Facebook. I saw it in Facebook. There's a grammatical problem here, isn't there? Well, this grammatical problem is related to the use of prepositions, specifically the use of in and on. So the prepositions in and on can both be used in reference to a medium of information or entertainment. Let's look at some examples. You could say in a book, in a newspaper, for example, or in a dictionary, or in a magazine. We'll keep that in mind for later. On the other hand, we could say on the radio, on television, on the internet, on Facebook. So what's going on here? What's the difference? Well, although there are exceptions, generally speaking, we use in when talking about paper mediums. So if we consider the examples of a book, or a newspaper, or a dictionary, or a magazine, those are all created on paper, aren't they? A paper medium. On the other hand, we tend to use on when it is an electronic or digital medium. For example, if we consider radio, television, the internet, or Facebook, those are all electronic ways of accessing information or entertainment. Specifically with the example of Facebook, well, this would also apply to any online or social media platform. For example, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google, on Snapchat, on TikTok, etc. The same principle would apply, we would use on. So if we go back to our original example and we consider the sentence, I saw it in Facebook, why is that incorrect? Well, it's incorrect because Facebook is a digital platform, and as explained previously, because of that, we should use the preposition on, and so we would correct the sentence by replacing in with on. Thank you.